Hello, my name is Lauren Ryan, and we are going to be going over the introduction to our website, which is going to be found on our homepage. We are the Bean team, otherwise known as Team Number 6. As you can see in the top left corner, we have our little artifact, which is our little coffee cup. And the members of our team are Brianna, Olivia, Kristen, and me, who is Lauren. So what is our website about? Our website was created with the purpose to inform you all of what exactly a flipped classroom will be and the factors that come with it. The concepts that will be discussed in our website are what a flipped classroom is, a flipped classroom versus a traditional classroom, information on how to set up the videos in a flipped classroom and how long those videos should be, and lastly, what will generally occur next in a face-to-face classroom after learning the content through a flipped classroom. All of these concepts will be found on the different pages of our website and will be titled mainly with these questions. We hope, as the Bean team, that you absorb the most information possible and you are able to get a good understanding of what exactly a flipped classroom is and if you could potentially use it in the future as a future educator. Thanks for listening, and we hope that you enjoy.